Hey guys, welcome to another video of Shaded Content. Today is the first day of Vlogmas. If you don't know, if you're a brand new YouTuber, you know that filming in December, you're gonna get paid way more than if you film any other day of the month. So today we are starting our Vlogmas December 1st vlog. So you got Chili over there working on everybody's orders. And I'm working on a bunch of stuff too, so just want to vlog our day. Again, the sale is still up, guys, so you don't want to miss the Cyber Extended Sale, Cyber Monday sale. So regular sheets are $15.99. The 22x60s are $29.99, guys. Please go jump on the website now because we won't tell you when the sale is going to end. We're just going to end it. I'm just going to go on there and the sale will just be ended. But we're probably looking at like, what, another day, babe, the sale?
Yeah, I'm thinking through Friday.
Through Friday?
Yeah. What do you think? That's what I'm trying to get everyone finalized today, so.
Look at all these boxes. Look at all these boxes.
Friday.
Look at all these boxes. Look, got some more tubes. Last time the tubes I got from this company on eBay were too small, too short. Hang out with you guys for a bit. They were actually too short. So I'm hoping, and I used to have to, I got the tube and one side would fit in like this. I would do like this, fit one side in, height, okay, like that. And then when I would slide in the tube, when I would slide in the transfer, it would poke out the top. So let's see. Oh, it's actually right. Perfect. Great. They actually sent me the right size tubes because so this box right here is actually 22 by 26. Crazy. Sucks. It wasn't cool. Shelly, early Christmas. Ooh, you bought that jacket. So we went. Yeah, I forgot all my jackets. What am I gonna put on them?
Put them on. I forgot about your
What am I gonna put on?
This is. Oh, I forgot we got that's nice.
It was cheap too, right?
Yeah, we got it Black Friday. We were like so on cloud nine about how our sale went. I went on, it's big. I went on Kohl's to look at their Black Friday and they had amazing deals. So we got a few things. My husband needed a everyday jackets. I got some pots and pans that were like $200. I got them for $68. And then we got him some, that's perfect. You're a big daddy.
I know.
So, you know me, I like a good deal, guys.
I probably would never wear this with a hoodie.
Really?
No, because it's too
Is
much.
it too short? Is it fit
I
good?
think it's still too short. What size is it?
It looks like 2X. Look at the tag on the thing, on the sleeve.
Tag says 2X.
It's too short in the
50X.
arms?
Yeah.
50. I think how much did we get that for?
Oh no.
It was cheap.
Yeah, how's it look?
Maybe 20. I don't know. That hoodie's kind of throwing it off.
The hoodie's throwing it off?
Yeah.
It looks like it fits.
No, it looks good just on the arms, but you kind of like it above your watch, right?
Yeah, I do like it above my watch. I don't like it to be.
You look good. Get it. Go. Black Friday savings.
So let's see.
Okay, I like that. Look, it fits good in the back too, baby.
Oh, yeah, really?
Like it fits good all the way around. And then you can scrunch it on the ends. Look at the ends.
Oh, yeah, I can scrunch it, yeah.
I love that.
Got another one. Because it was freezing yesterday. This would have been perfect. They was like, ooh, this one's different. This one's mad smooth.
What is that?
This one's like
texture?
crunchy. This one's like smooth.
Like butter.
Like velvet.
No, that's not velvet. That's like
What should I put on these? Like, I gotta put straight in the content somewhere.
on a Champions?
Who is that?
That's your phone.
That's me.
We're vlogging. This is live in effect, guys.
All right, so.
I should have vlogged when Anthony called. We just had
yeah.
a customer call Anthony, and he just gave us all of our flowers over the phone. We love to hear it. We love to hear. We appreciate you, Anthony. He has been rocking with us since we were in our retail store.
Oh, yeah, you right about that.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Oh, I remember this one. I had no idea.
This is
It
the
felt
big
like
tall
that.
one, right?
I think so with that guy, right? We were like, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the Flex Fit extra large tall.
Oh, the sleeves are
The
longer.
sleeves are longer, yeah.
Take that hoodie off, baby.
Hush.
Okay.
Taking nothing off. It's cold in here.
I know, but to see how it really fits.
No, I'll be all right. You know, I'm probably going to wear a hoodie underneath.
Not with that one.
No,
That's too little. With
this one is kind of tight.
That's the one you should have wore yesterday with that nice
This
shirt.
one was all tight on me.
No, it's just because the hoodie. Your
So
real
tight.
arms, your real arms aren't that big.
Yeah, so the other one is too short. This one is too long.
It's
What
not
the
too
heck?
long.
Look how long it is. Hey, you guys. Give me all your money.
Don't do
Give me
that.
all your money.
Turn around. Let me see the back. Oh yeah, I do like the back. Okay. Get it. Get the little hood. You can't even tell the beautiful color on camera.
No.
It's so much nicer and with my eyeballs.
And then, so that's all we got with jackets.
You should have like 2 more jackets and some shoes. Your shoes? Oh.
Just 2 jackets. Just 2.
No, because we bought you navy. Remember the navy jacket we bought
they coming
you?
later?
The black one. They might be.
Damn. Yo, the blue navy thing will go fire with
Oh, okay. Don't forget, my husband's a size 14. So when we find a 14 on sale, we are excited.
These look like.
Those are nice. That matches you perfect
I
today.
know, right? What I'm wearing today?
Wow.
That's crazy.
Those are pretty.
Yeah,
Where's
why
that salmon color we thought? Oh, okay.
Why
In
do
the
they look
pump.
like orthopedics?
Because they are.
These look like orthopedics.
How?
I don't know.
Those look like
They so big. This is like the
Flyopedics.
perfect. How they got the perfect match? How I know I was gonna wear this today?
still broke, guys.
Huh?
They got, look at where I put my foot.
Yeah.
Boop, I put it on. Got my foot underneath. I gotta put my foot up
I gotta
everywhere.
go outside with these on, just because they mad. I'm about to wear blue and gray every day.
You are a Cowboys fan?
Quit playing. You got jokes.
That's what Papa wears all the
not.
time.
It's not.
And he's a Cowboys
Nah,
fan.
quit playing.
Gray and navy. Gray and navy.
No, this is Yankees. I'm a Yankees fan.
Oh, yeah, you're
All
right.
day, yeah.
But you're in Texas, so we think it's
No,
Dallas.
yeah, that's fine.
That looks nice, baby. Do they fit?
Yeah,
How do they feel? Are they comfy? They look like comfy
because I got
shoes.
a thin foot. No, they definitely look like orthopedic old people.
How?
I don't know. They just got that old people look. Like,
Not to
like
me.
I got like
Comment down below if you think those got old people vibes.
like a 2017 GMC.
That's not funny. No offense to people with 2017
No, I love. I'm just saying.
GMC.
No. I love GMC. I love Chevy.
Okay,
We're thinking about a Denali.
can I please buy you those Nike white shoes that I've been looking at for $44?
Okay, if you want.
They're still on sale. They extended their Black Friday sale just like us, and I
Oh, really?
keep watching them.
Yeah, I guess.
And 44 for a size 14 is nothing. That's how much we spend on
Never
lunch.
hurts. Oh.
It hurts?
No, I said it never hurts to have extra shoes. Yeah, this is perfect
Back up. Let
outfit.
me see. Oh,
Kelly,
shit.
I just bought that.
Excuse
What are
me.
you doing?
I was backing up.
Oh my God.
You back up so I can see your whole outfit.
I could, just tell me to back up.
Back up.
I swear to God, if you break that,
Oh, hush.
Kelly,
I can return it.
you can't. It's broken.
Amazon don't care.
Yes, they do.
Hush. Those are nice. It blends into your pants.
I know,
It's
it's like
so
perfect.
funny.
Oh man, I gotta find a reason to leave the house today.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. See, I was wearing these.
Whatever you do, vlog it.
Oh yeah, true that.
Vlogmas.
Well, no, I need to just put this out today.
I know you have to put it out every day.
I know, but I'm saying this evening. Otherwise, it'll go out at night, and I like to put it out there. Or should I put it in the morning? No, I'll put this one out, then I'll film some more that'll go out in the morning. Or something.
Either way, you got to film your day every single day for 20. Check that footwork. Check that footwork. That's it? That's in there?
That's all I got. I know.
Okay,
Sucks.
well, we'll see what day the other package comes because we have some other jackets.
Hey guys, who am I? Who am
Now
I?
kick you in your face,
Who
then
am I?
what?
Who am I?
That's not funny. Why do you think that's funny?
Let's get the tritters. How happy? Let's get the tritters.
Okay, I gotta get back to work. I don't know why you think that's funny. Your hand.